Now, when it comes to lighting, what should growers really focus on instead of like chasing after specs and marketing claims?
So I think it depends, right? Like marketing claims and specs are important, but like you can't just take a company's word for it because they're just trying to make more sales, right? And make sure you're doing your research, make sure you're asking, looking things up, look up that brand. When I'm buying a light personally, for me the first thing I think of is my growing environment. How am I growing in a tent? Okay, if I'm growing in a tent, I want to try and, like you said before, maximize coverage. I don't want there to be hot spots. I try to tend to stay away from a large panel or a board style LED because they typically have like a hot spot in the center and you don't want that. So I'll go for some bar style, or maybe even some of the modern panels are pretty decent as well, and they have the spectrums are changing and stuff. But just make sure you're fact checking things. Don't get too caught up in all of the features. If it has a timer built in, that's amazing. Like that's great. I remember having to use the analog timers, the ones with the dials, right? So
The mechanical outlets and the Inkbird controllers back in the day, even before, yeah.
right, like that's all you need. Like you don't need to get all crazy fancy with it. Make sure you're getting good even coverage. That's the most important thing in my opinion.
They'll be analyzing the spectrum charts. I just focus on whether you can get a good PPFD across the canopy, and then
Yeah, well, like spectrum wise too, like that's up to you, right? Like, do you want different companies have like, but it's pretty standard, right? Like when you look at the Mars Hydros and the Spider Farmers and those types of companies, the Viper Spectra, all of their like spectrum charts they look pretty similar. If you like overlaid them, I doubt there would be much of a difference.
I would say one cool thing though, like with Gorilla Grow's new light, dude, is I don't really know. Like I haven't done any research to see how legitimate the claims are, but they have the day. I don't know if you've used their GXI lights yet, but they have the sunrise and sunset thing. So instead of just the light turning right on at your designated time, they kind of they bring up the UV a little bit, whatever. They're trying to emulate like a natural. So I don't know how that's like, but I'm doing it now. My grow's going great, but that's one thing maybe in the future to look at when you're buying a new light. If, but yeah, that's just a luxury kind of.
Yeah, I think the most important thing though would be just like that even like PPF or whatever, like the you want just want like coverage. You want even light coverage from corner to corner. That's it.
Yeah, light spread, uniformity across the footprint. Yeah, same thing. I'm agreeing with almost everything you guys are saying here. It's super friggin' important. And these bar style lights, man, ever since those have come onto the market, they've been so many years ago now, but they definitely help distribute those light evenly across the footprint. Not knocking anybody who has a board light still, right?
No,
But they do
yeah.
have that hot spot, and there is drop off depending on what model light you have. Some of these drop offs, man, if you go like super cheap with lights and like don't really pay attention to the par chart, man, it drops down to like 1,000 ppfd dead center in that hotspot, dropping all the way down to like 200 on the edges. So it's like you're buying this light that you think is covering that footprint, but when you get into the outer edges, you're gonna have problems. And you mentioned that earlier. I think it was Tim. You mentioned like you don't get that chunky buds on the outside if you don't have that good light spread across the footprint. And yeah, having a light that has good light spread goes a long way. This clip is brought to you by Stash Nutrients. Use coupon code THESTASH for a discount on your order.